This is Oppo Reno 12 5G smartphone, and if you're using this smartphone then you must enable these 5 convenience features in your smartphone. So with the help of these features you will be able to use your phone more efficiently and more quickly as well. Whenever you are on home screen then it feels really uneasy to reach at the corner and open these applications. But there's a gesture by which you can easily open these apps. Simply tap and hold on the home screen and then click on more. There you will see the option of icon pull down gesture. Click on this and then enable this. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply swipe up from the edges like this. Then it will drag all the apps around your thumb and you will be able to open these applications very efficiently. Whenever you use your phone with a single hand, then it feels really uneasy to reach at the top and open this control center. But there is a gesture by which you can comfortably open this. Simply tap and hold on the home screen and then click on more. Scroll down, there you will see the option of swipe down on home screen. Click on this. By default it is selected to shelf. You have to select notification drawer. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply swipe down on the empty area, then it will open your notification center. You can also enable one-handed mode in this smartphone. By default this feature is disabled. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on accessibility and convenience. Again scroll down, there you will see the option of one-handed mode. Click on this and then enable this, but keep in mind you must be using navigation gesture instead of using 3-button navigation to enable this feature. To enable one-handed mode, you have to simply swipe down from the middle bottom like this, then it will enable one-handed mode as you can see. To exit this one-handed mode, you have to tap on this empty area. So that's how you can enable one-handed mode in this smartphone. The next feature is double tap to lock and double tap to wake your screen up feature. So you don't have to press this power button over and over again. Simply tap and hold on the home screen and then click on more. There you will see the option of double tap to lock. Enable this, scroll down and also enable this double tap to wake on or turn off screen. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply double tap on the empty area. It will lock your smartphone, and if you will double tap on the locked screen, it will wake your screen up. You can also quickly turn on your flashlight from your locked screen, but you have to enable the next feature. Open your settings, scroll down and then click on accessibility and convenience. Scroll down and then click on gesture and motions. There you will see the option of turn on or off torch with volume button. Simply click on this. Now whenever your phone is locked, you have to long press your volume down button, then it will turn on your flashlight, and if you will long press it again, then it will turn it off. So these were top 5 convenience feature in Oppo Reno 12 5G smartphone. If you like this video, then let us know in the comment section. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.